crying. I'm going home.
I feel like you see tears on my glasses.
Here we are, guys, at the Blue Lagoon. It's lovely and it looks exactly how I imagined. So here we are, we're going to relax for a little bit. Finally, this is one of the places I've been wanting to go for a long time. I always said I want to go to the Blue Lagoon in Iceland, but I've never gone to Iceland before. It's very expensive, and I've learned it's even more expensive than anticipated. The silica is what makes the water go blue, the way the water, light reflects silica, and it can scratch your phone. So I'm being very careful, but we are enjoying this lagoon. You can also get drinks. There's a bar here actually. You can actually buy beer, cider, and other drinks. So you use this wrist bracelet to buy things and then you pay later. But I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah, and the first drink, by the way, is free for your entry. So that's good. They do slushy, I think, and gull beer, things like that. Well, you better not copy me if I get in a cider. No, if you copy me, I'm not going to be happy. Nah. And he's done it. There you go, there's that. Can I just get a cider as well, please? There's the price list. So it works out about 900 krona, is about £5. There you go. And I paid without paying you, so I'll pay when I leave, unless I go bankrupt before that. Thank you. But it's a pool.
I didn't come here thinking of it.
God, I was meant to be dry the whole time. I mean, water's not actually wet, it's just the top part that's wet. There are bins around here, by the way, to put your drinks in. So actually the phone is leaning on a bin, but you could accidentally spill the drink in the pool. But apparently, I think it's happened before. It has to have, right? Yeah, here we are. Oh, good. At last. Now I can die. Right now. That's alright. It's alright, it's safe. I know, don't worry, I got it.